me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with there.
Oh, Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Parry, St. Mary with there. St. Mary with say. Uncle Murphy.
Morning time, Parry. We are in St. Mary.
Sure. Turn the camera up on there. Everybody asks about you.
We don't feel so. We feel how you supposed to be there now.
You have to mass up, you know, Parry. You have to mass up,
Yeah,
you
we
know.
have to mass up, because
Yes, you don't know where things are under control yet, you know.
In and out, but the rain kind of easily come for no shoe. Alright, so first and foremost, me get something for you. The lady who sent it, we see, and me just fall over the part that the name can show. So what a good lady send this for you, so you can, you know, hold it on camera, you know. So you tell her thanks. She know herself.
Thank you, Parry, very much. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, right. The ladies, them check for you, I love everybody. I say, them wish you speedy recovery and everything. So I make sure I come find in a live and living colors. And then can see, so you're dressed up in a working clothes and you're not here. So you still have a little cough though.
Yeah, it's a cough.
So me hear your cough a while ago look like it'll lift up. So in a dry cough again. So you must make sure. And up here not so chill this morning. You're not so chill today. You're not so chill today. Because I wear my jacket but I take it off. So everything. So you're not too bad. Alright, there's a lady who say she have to come deal with your case. She have to come look for you. But I guess she can't come right about now. I don't know. Tell her when she can't come.
Can't come right about. We tell you.
So anyway, you can't tell the people them thanks to them concerned because everybody I wish you speedy recovery.
Yeah, Parry, thanks for your concern, yeah?
Yeah.
Very well.
So sit
Love
there.
Love it all.
Yeah. Live and living cover, you see Boshue there. You understand? So we are here and all of that. We not cook today, but we carry food and we are going to add food. So we are going to show you where we are eat and all of that. And then tuna have much of improvement. And I did say to you, Shu, there is a lady, she has reached out, and when she reached out with, she said it's blocks for you. So those that amount of block. The money when she sent and when I calculate it up, I don't think you're going to want much more in a black. So black cover this. So, but I don't purchase it as yet. Because I look for see if anything else can come in. That when we go buy, we can buy black and other stuff for you need. Because if we go every time, if we go buy and come and pay $6,000 for delivery, we are wait till, you know. So I'm just saying, so you can say thanks to the lady, and she's not her first time.
Yeah, thank you.
It's not the first time she reached out.
Thank you very well.
Yeah. So that we depend. So when you block them and your rest are sitting them drop, you know, so we have to show them and all of that. So thank you again. You know yourself. Me can't call your name unless me get permission. Thanks. So right there, so it's like you're almost there with black for now. So we want to come more sand, cement, and a piece. Me know you want some more steel. Right? So when you get this and I start lift up and I go again, you know. So you know so it goes. So we give God the glory, give God thanks. I'm glad to come see you too and say you feel too better. You have a little cough, you know, but you know them little.
It take
a little time. So all you do during this time, make sure you take very good care of yourself that you don't catch up another cold pan this, because you know that it would not be good. You understand? If the time gets extra chilly, put on your socks, put on your, you know, you have them. You have gotten them and make sure say you have them. Right? So wrap up yourself in your blanket at night time. That one you know, no live. Them a blanket where you are no live. But the live one we come.
Yeah, it come.
See that say now cause look here, if you did have the live blanket in your bed, you could come out, you know.
Right.
You couldn't come out until you get released. So next clip, Parry, next clip.
Alright.
Parry, we carry look of food. I cook dinner yesterday, I cook late last night. This is a roast pork, come on. I never plan to come back and deal with nothing today. Because them are carry something around our kitchen there, so we can't even go around this stuff. So we have to dip on the veranda. Food smell nice, man.
Yeah.
Pull it on, come on. And we not no vegetables, so we just eat our food like what we have. Alright. So this is roast beef, potatoes and gravy. And give me one fork. I want to slice up the pork, but I want something for holy. I'm going to carry some platter, come up here.
So you want to
do this? I want to slice up the pork, but I want something for holy. I'm going to carry some platter, come up here.
So you want to
do this? Where's the fork? Alright.
I just give you it.
The gravy one way. I mean, I try to see if I can get the pork for cut, but
See fork right there, son.
Where?
Right there. Son.
where?
Beside the thing right there.
Oh, this is a spoon.
No, right there, beside it.
Oh.
See there, yeah.
So, I try my best. Parry to slice up the pork, the gravy down in there. So, but through them something about tin. So, I dish out for Dad, Uncle Murphy, Boshue, camera girl. I don't know what she has say. Daddy, you eat? No, me just asking if me for dish out. Okay, alright. We never did eat much of our food last night. So, me wanted to leave a yard for Gerard in a cover.
It's okay, it's okay.
Hmm?
It's okay.
So, Parry, this is what we are doing. And we are gonna just microwave. We have a little microwave up here, yeah. You understand? So, it we are using here right now. We can see little light, so we happy. Right, Uncle Murphy? Right. So, me I go microwave them food there. So, when everything done, we show no what go on. We don't have no vegetable scene, but that's how it go. We live. And this a potato. This was roast beef and potato. So, when me done, me I go. So, Dad and Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy, look like you can take a little more rice. And Boshue.
Chef was
Yeah, me I go eat a big plate of food and make some water. Water we are drink today. No place no there for we. I mean never did really plan for cook still. This a show.
plan to cook. You cook already.
Yes, no man, but I have things. But I have things in place already. So Parry, when me done with this, me sooner see?
How about this?
Yeah, me have chair this here about food. A cake, carrot cake.
Okay.
I don't know about the cake now. How about you make that? Uncle Murphy, lunchtime. Make them sister your food, you know, more than sister your food.
Yeah.
Lunchtime. Why you look pretty on camera there? Yeah.
And beef.
And carrot cake and
carrot
rice
cake.
and peas and Irish.
Irish.
What? Lunch look pretty.
Live and direct.
Yeah. And not like that.
Live and direct.
Yeah. To eating food and time in the comment section.
Yeah, thanks.
Come, show them your food.
Yeah, right up with now.
Yeah, make sure me I set them for you in the comment section.
Thanks.
Yeah. Apparently, out here, so.
Never get.
With the space that we have around 15 man, I'm on there, just do some correction to something there. I tell them something I really like that, so. We're out here, so, and then two, we did level off out here, so I do some different up a yard there for me. Oh. Hear them running, so. Next clip. I have no drinks. Sorry, we are cut now from St. Mary. This was like basically it today. She'll never do anything extra, so we never bother show. You know, so as soon as him get the roll rolling again, and we will show you what is happening. Not never done because he was sick, so not never done. So you know what is what and everything. So basically that was just it today. Come did one definitely come see how I do for myself and know and everything. So and let's make sure to make you guys see. So thanks for watching, thanks for the support, thanks for the love. Uncle Murphy.
Yes. Thank you, Barry. Blessed every time.
Yeah, Uncle Murphy already knows. So never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. And today Uncle Murphy it wasn't bad. Yeah, the chili, you know, it just normal. So you see, so me have my jacket here. I still have to just have it cross my hands. So yeah, and see me not have no socks.